Hey Jenna, you know what?
What is it, Jake?
You look gorgeous today. That color really suits you.
Aw, thank you so much, Jake. You look pretty sharp yourself.
See, everyone? That's how easy it is to make someone's day better.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Jake and Jenna English. I'm Jenna Matthew.
And I'm Jake Matthew, and if you couldn't tell, today we're talking about compliments.
Episode 11 is all about making people smile with your words.
Because here's the thing, compliments are like magic. 3 seconds to say, but people remember them for years.
So true. I still remember when someone told me in high school that I had a great smile. That was like 10 years ago.
10 years, see? That's the power of a good compliment. And in English, it's super easy to do.
Okay, so let's start with the most common situation. Someone walks in looking really good today.
Just say, you look great today. Simple, right? 3 words.
Or if you want more energy, wow, you look amazing. That wow at the start really amps it up.
Here's a pro tip though. Be specific. Don't just say, you look nice. Say why.
Like, I love that blue dress on you. Or, that hairstyle really suits you.
Exactly. Specific compliments feel more genuine. It shows you actually noticed.
Okay, imagine your friend just got new sneakers, super fresh ones. What do you say?
Easy. Dude, those shoes are awesome. Or, I love your sneakers. Where'd you get them?
That question at the end, game changer. It opens up conversation. Now, you're not just complimenting, you're connecting.
For work though, keep it professional. Those are really nice shoes. Works better than, yo, sick kicks.
Yeah, maybe save sick kicks for your friends, not your boss.
All right, big one. Your friend just got a haircut and you know they're nervous about it.
Say, your haircut looks amazing. I love it. Be enthusiastic. They need that confidence boost.
Or, wow, your hair looks so good. When did you get it done?
And listen, even if you're not sure about it, you can say, that's such a bold style. You're rocking it.
Sometimes people just need to hear you support their choice, you know?
Now, let's talk about skills. Your coworker just killed a presentation.
Say, that was an amazing presentation. You really nailed it.
Or be specific. I loved how clear your slides were, and your delivery was so confident.
See the difference? Good job is okay, but your data visualization was brilliant, shows you actually paid attention.
What about when someone cooks for you? This is important.
During the meal, this is delicious. What's your secret? They'll love explaining.
After eating, that was incredible. You're such a talented cook.
And if they're worried it's not good, are you kidding? This is restaurant quality.
Okay, personality compliments. These hit different because they're about who someone is, not just what they do.
When someone helps you, you're so kind. Thank you so much for this.
When someone makes you laugh, you have the best sense of humor. You always crack me up.
Or just, you're such a genuine person. I really appreciate you.
These are powerful. You're not complimenting their shirt, you're complimenting their soul.
All right, flip side. Someone just complimented you. What do you do?
First rule, don't reject it. Don't say, what? No, I look terrible.
Just say, thank you. I really appreciate that. Accept it gracefully.
You can add more. Thank you so much. That's really sweet of you to say.
Or if they compliment your jacket, thanks. I actually just got it last week.
And here's a smooth move. Compliment them back. Thank you. I love your style too.
But make sure it's genuine. Don't just say it to say it. People can tell.
Which brings us to the golden rule. Only give compliments you genuinely mean.
Fake compliments are worse than no compliments. Be real, be specific, be genuine.
And don't overthink it. If you think something nice about someone, just say it.
Okay, everyone, let's practice. Jenna, I'm going to give you a few different compliments. You respond.
Okay, let's go.
Jenna, that was a fantastic lesson. You explained everything so clearly.
Thank you so much, Jake. That means a lot coming from you.
Also, I've been meaning to say, your energy today is amazing. You seem so happy.
Oh, thanks. I actually slept really well last night. Appreciate you noticing.
And you're always so patient with our listeners. It's one of my favorite things about working with you.
Jake, that's so kind. You're making me blush, but thank you. That really made my day.
See that? Different types of compliments, different responses, all genuine.
Quick recap. Appearance. You look amazing. Be specific about what.
Skills. You did a fantastic job. Tell them exactly what impressed you.
Personality. You're so kind. Compliment who they are, not just what they do.
Receiving. Thank you. I appreciate that. No rejecting, no overthinking.
And golden rule, only say what you genuinely mean. Be real.
Homework. Give 3 real compliments to 3 different people this week.
And make them specific, not just nice shirt. Tell them why it's nice.
Drop a comment. Tell us about a compliment that stuck with you. We love reading your stories.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. Go spread some kindness.
If you're enjoying these lessons, smash that like button and subscribe.
Next episode, how to apologize and say sorry the right way. Super important.
Remember, your words have power. Use them to lift people up.
All right, everyone, go make someone smile today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.